Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you 2 ways to contact the BITGET's customer service. All right, so first up, under bitget.com, we have here at the bottom right the contact button. Okay, so just click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on next right here. Got it. And then once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and read through the FAQs right here. For example, for account security, okay, you have here can I log into my account, or can I submit extra IDs and something like that. And if you want to as well, you can just go ahead and easily click on chat with us. Okay, so click on it. Now go ahead and select from one of these options. It could be for your account security. And then once that's done, answer more questions. Okay, or go ahead and write down your own query right here. If not, you can just go ahead and straight up type down chat with an agent. Okay, so that an agent will get back to you. All right. So the other option is by going to your browser and just type down BITGET customer service, just like so. If it's allowed, then go ahead and click on BITGET support center right here. And then go ahead and scroll all the way down. As you can see, your chat from the BITGET website will be redirected here as well. So again, scroll all the way down, click on contact us right here, and you should be able to see the same exact pop-up. Okay, click on chat with us, chat with an agent, and then hit on enter. All right, and after that, an agent will start chatting with you. So just go ahead and enter your query, and hopefully it will get resolved. And that's basically it. That is how you contact BITGET customer service. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.